Namaste children. Today we are going to start a new lesson. It's raining. Rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം rain മഴയാണ് main source of water. Rain water is also pure. We get water from rivers, ponds, seas, lakes, etc. In this portion, first we talk about a small elephant, Appu. Okay. Appu ate bananas. Appu likes bananas very much. He plucks and eats bananas from the trees every day. He is a small elephant. He likes bananas very much. He plucks and eats bananas from the trees every day. Okay. One day he saw that the banana trees were dropping. It had not rained for a long time. I must get water in my trunk, said Appu. He started walking towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. He bathed his body with his trunk. One day he saw that the banana trees were dropping. He is very sad because the banana trees were dropping. He ate bananas very much. He likes bananas very much. Sorry. He likes bananas very much. One day he saw that the banana trees were dropping. Banana trees drop ചെയ്തു നിൽക്കുന്നതാണ് അവൻ ഒരു ദിവസം കണ്ടത്. It had not rained for a long time. Most of the plants growing around us, our house get water from rain. നമ്മുടെ ചുറ്റും ജീവിക്കുന്ന ഒരുപാട് ചെടികൾക്ക് വെള്ളം കിട്ടുന്നത് മഴയിൽ നിന്നാണ്. I must get water in my trunk, said Appu. He started walking towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. He get water from river. He drank water till he was happy. He bathed his body with his trunk. Then he carried water in his trunk and poured it on to banana trees. അവൻ അവൻ്റെ ട്രങ്കിലെ വെള്ളം കോരി കുടിക്കുകയും കുളിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം he carried water in his trunk and poured it on the banana trees. Okay. As soon as the banana trees got water, they came alive. വെള്ളം കിട്ടിയതോടെ banana trees എന്തായി? Became alive. അതിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് മനസ്സിലാക്കാം? All living things need water. Water is very precious and all living things need water. Okay. As soon as the banana trees got water, they came alive. Appu said, from now on, I will get water for you every day. After all, you also give me ripe and tasty bananas. So, water is very precious. All living things need water. We get water from rain. Rain is the main source of water and rainwater is pure. We get water from rain, lakes, seas, wells, ponds, rivers, etc. Okay? Then, take your text, page number 60. How did Appu know that the banana trees needed water? Appu know that the banana trees needed water because they were drooping without water. വെള്ളം കിട്ടാതായതോടെ banana trees were drooping. അവ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? അവയ്ക്ക് ഒരു വാട്ടം സംഭവിച്ചു. We get water from rain. Rain is the main source of water. Do you know where banana trees are found in large number in India? Yes, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, UP. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സംസ്ഥാനങ്ങളിലാണ് ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ബനാന ട്രീസ് കൂടുതലായിട്ട് കാണാനായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് സാധിക്കുന്നത്. From where do the plants growing around your house get water? Most of the plants growing around our house get water from rain. Rain is the main source of water and from most of the plants growing around our house get water from rain. Okay. Then Appu drank water from the river till he was happy. Have you seen animals drinking water where? Yes. We are seeing animals drinking water in ponds, rivers, pits, etc. നാം കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് animals എവിടെ നിന്നൊക്കെയാണ് വെള്ളം കുടിക്കുന്നത്? Animals drinking water from rivers, ponds, pits, etc. Then some animals are not given water by anyone. From where do they drink water? they drink water from tube wells, ponds, rivers, etc. So, rain is the main source of water. Rainwater is pure. We get water from rain. What are the another sources of water? Ponds, rivers, lakes, seas. അങ്ങനെ എല്ലാ സ്ഥലങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നും വാട്ടർ കിട്ടുന്നു. All living things need water for drinking, bathing, etc. Plants also need water for their living. Okay. Then there is a poem that's described about clouds. You must read that poem very well. In that poem, the poet describes clouds. Clouds are very beautiful. We can see many types of clouds. Many shades, many colors. In the poem, poet wants to tell about the clouds. Clouds ine kurichana poet ee poemil paranjirikkunnathu. First he discussed about the color of clouds. Have you seen the different colors and shades of clouds? Have you seen? Yes, black, white fluffy clouds, grey clouds. Sometimes the clouds are look like some animals, swan, horse, elephant, in the form of that animals. Clouds are very beautiful. We get rain from that clouds. Clouds തണുക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് മഴ കിട്ടുന്നത്. Clouds. മഴയോടൊപ്പം നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കാണാറുണ്ട്? Thunder, lightning, storm, ഇതെല്ലാം മഴയോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാകാറുണ്ട്. Lightning is more danger than thunder. മിന്നൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു വൈദ്യുത പ്രവാഹമാണ്. That is more danger than thunder. Thunder is an another process. Thunder is occurred during the two clouds are collide to form thunder. രണ്ട് ക്ലൗഡ്സുകൾ തമ്മിൽ ചേർന്ന് ഇരിക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് തണ്ടർ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. Then മിന്നൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു വൈദ്യുത പ്രവാഹമാണ്. Lightning is more danger than thunder. Lightning is first coming. ഫസ്റ്റ് വരുന്നത് lightning ആണ്. Because light is faster than sound. ലൈറ്റിന്റെ വേഗത, the speed of light is faster than the speed of sound. ശബ്ദത്തിന്റെ വേഗത്തേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലാണ് ഇതിന്റെ പ്രകാശത്തിന്റെ വേഗം. അതുകൊണ്ട് thunder lightning is first come. Thunder means two clouds collided with each other and thunder occurs. After rain we can see a rainbow in the sky. How many colors in a rainbow? 7 colors. Which are they? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. About 7 colors. In this portion we are studying about water. Water is very precious. Water is very important in all living things. Rain is the main source of water and we get rainwater is very pure. We get water from lakes, seas, ponds, rivers, etc. Okay. Then clouds, മേഘങ്ങൾ തണുത്തുറഞ്ഞ് മഴയായി പെയ്യുന്നു. മഴയോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ thunder and lightning is coming. Is also hail. Hail means ആലിപ്പഴം. ആലിപ്പഴം എന്താ? ഐസ് കട്ട മഴയായി പെയ്യുന്നതിനാണ് hail means ആലിപ്പഴം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ you must read the text well and teacher will give the text work and note also. You must read the text well. Okay, namaste.